Hey guys, whoa, got some crazy hair going on. Just got out of the Goodwill bins. I wanted to show you what I got, and then we're going to head to one other thrift store today, and then I got to get home. I have stuff to do. But I've been enjoying this process, and I'm needing some smaller clothes, so this is all going to work out. All right, we hand sanitized. I wore gloves. I have a trash bag here, and now I get to have some coffee. I can't take coffee in with, I mean, I could, but also I saw some lady pulling a cart. That might be the next move. We'll see, but let's show you what I got. And I need my receipt. Okay, I spent $10.78. Let's fix this. I think that's better. Ooh, sorry, hand. That's going in the trash. I bought a mushroom kit and it was rotten and they won't take it back. I should have checked. That was on me. Okay, household goods. I spent $1.79 and I got, I mean, this just came off of somebody's something. It's a Swedish, one of those Swedish dishcloths that I really like these. And I will put this, and it says eco-friendly, life-changing, peakdesignings.com. We ship anywhere. I don't know. But it's like a little winter scene. So I'll put that in way with my Christmas, like winter towels and linens, because we're getting off Christmas. Then I got this. Now, it is metal. It's wrapped in this grapevine, but it's all broken. So I'm going to rip it apart. I just wanted the base to hang. It may even get spray painted, who knows, but I wanted to hang this to make it some type of a wreath or outside door hanging, something of that nature. And this and that napkin and that washcloth were $1.79. Then in the book section, I kind of hit the jackpot. I got a pack of sheet protectors, which I use for my cross stitch patterns, and I'm out. So this is a pack of 100 sheet protectors. This is for, it goes in a happy planner, but I'm going to see if I can make it work in my regular planner. It's to add sheets. So these are snap tabs. So you snap them in and they do something. I don't know. They were basically free. But this is the find of the day for me. It is leather. It is a journal. Place to hold a pen. With the pen, it can hold whatever. And then it comes with these little traveler notebooks. It looks like someone ripped out a page. So what I will do is just take out the corresponding page. And now I have a traveler's notebook. It even has the little leather bound strap, and these are replaceable. You just untie the leather, unlace it, and you can put new books in it. And it's leather. This is, like I said, I've looked at these at Barnes & Noble and I loved them. I was not willing to pay Barnes & Noble pricing. And then what you do, I'm going to show you here. And I might need to like clean it up a little bit. Maybe. I don't know. I like the roughness of it too. And then you just tie it. So these three items, the leather notebook, the page protectors, and those little tabs were $1.26. Oh, I should put them back in there. Well, I can. I'll just leave them to the side. And then I got some clothing. First of all, for next Christmas, I found this bow. It's just on a pin. I have no idea what it goes to. Probably somebody's dress and they took it off, but I don't care. Actually, I could even put this on a spring wreath or something, because bows are the rage right now. It's just a satin bow. I'm going to say it came off of somebody's dress, but I don't care. So I got that just because it was fun. I need white shirts. I'm trying to figure out white shirts for work and then white shirts for like summer. So this is a large boyfriend, Old Navy, just a white button down. And then this is, I think, like a beach cover up, because the brand is Beach Lunch Lounge Collection, made in Italy. I don't know if it tells me what brand. It's an extra large, 100% cotton. I don't know. I can Google it, but it's just a white shirt. But I love it, and I think this is going to be more for like fun. I found a Christmas sweater. I know, but come on, it's it's super fun. It's a 2X. It will fit. It's a crop, so I'll wear something like long under it, and it has a little, but it's just like a winter Christmas sweater, and I needed one because my sweaters are not going to fit next Christmas. And all this stuff needs laundered. This was brand new. It is from TJ Maxx. It is the Rudolph little baby blanket, but it's going to be a cat blanket this Christmas. My boys will love it. It is so soft. It also comes with some Rudolph the Red-Nosed Ribbon. Brand new. TJ Maxx, tag still on. Probably $12, $10. It was a gift to somebody because they ripped off the tag, but that's okay. My boys love a nice soft blanket, and this is nice and small, so I can just throw it somewhere for them. So that is everything in the clothing area. Let's see what I spent, because I don't remember. Throw this away. I need to go home and launder it all and figure out if maybe one of these shirts will work. I need it for my part-time job. Let me just put that in there. Did I lose my receipt? I did not. Those shirts and blanket and sweater and bow were $6.98. So in total, I spent $10.98 this was at the Goodwill Bins in Reynoldsburg, Columbus. It's on the line, Ohio. Now, what I need to do, I want to stop at Volunteers of America, which is near my house, and just see what I can find in the men's shirt section for a white shirt. I'm also on the hunt for like a white thermal base layer that I can wear when I work at the arena. Last night I about froze to death. I was in an office and it was super cold. So there's that. All right, we're gonna head home. I've got to get home and do something with this mop. I just got out of Volunteers of America and I found a few things. Not what I was looking for. I'm actually looking for a shirt similar to this in white, but like tighter. I need to wear it under my golf shirt because I've been cold at work, but I didn't find that. I did find some vintage gift wrap. This is Ultra Wrap White Christmas. I don't know when it's from. It was 99 cents whenever it was originally purchased. Of course, I paid $1.99. But what I need it for is I want to make a backdrop to take pictures of my DIYs and stuff. And I think this might be something that could work. So I grabbed that. And then on the crafting vein, I grabbed some of this. It was $1.99. When it was purchased, it was $1.20. It is a 9x12 art board for my needlework. From if I want to make ornaments, it's self-sticking board. I don't know if that's a good price or not, but I bought it because I saw it and it was $1.99. So I got that. And then I was looking for a white turtleneck, but I ended up finding a scarlet and gray turtleneck, which I can wear football. I can wear under my gray shirt, I'm pretty sure, but it wouldn't look good under my white shirt that I have to wear tonight. This is just Faded Glory, Walmart brand. I paid $4 for it, $4.24. but it needs to be laundered, and it's scarlet and gray, and I can wear it under a black sweatshirt as well. So I think overall I had a pretty good thrifting day. Now what we're gonna do is go home. I need to eat something. I need to make something for dinner tonight to bring with me. I need to shower and wash my hair. I'm not showering before I go digging through bins and thrifting. And then I need to get ready to go to nope. What's today? What is today? Today is Saturday. I need to go to work tonight, but I also need to make brookies and some more videos. So we'll do that. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed my little bit of thrifty hauls, and I will talk with you later.